Hi, welcome to SolidEdge 2023 video tutorial. I want to do that flywheel which I did in the other programs. It's one of the basic exercises and I've made a drawing, so let's take a look at the drawing. So here it is, and you could make a screenshot and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. Please note I forgot to dimension this here, so from this edge to that line it's 19 millimeters. Okay, so let's have fun with SolidEdge. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the front plane. I need a circle, and that circle should have a diameter of 230. Okay, now I need some lines. Would be nice to make construction lines like this, but that's not really possible. Yeah, you first to draw the line and then make it a construction line. Still, okay, like this, then this should be a construction line, and that one should be a construction line as well. Now I need some angles. So one angle like this should be 50 degrees, and the same on the other side, this should be, yeah, I got that 130. So really you have to press escape to do the next dimension. Now you have to switch to, so that's really not the kind you really want to have. Okay, two more lines like this, and then I want those lines to be parallel. So this one should be parallel to that one, and this one should be parallel to this one. Now in order to dimension that from here to here, if you want to do it like that, that will not work. So how to do that? I need a line, a construction line of course, which maybe from this point, it doesn't really matter, to that line. Make it for construction only. Where they go? Where is it? There they go. And there should be a 90-degree angle, so it should be here, it should be perpendicular. And then I could set a dimension axis, that would be the axis, okay? And then I can go for smart dimension, which allows me to dimension it like this. And that dimension should be 19 millimeter. So this is symmetric, so that will be 19 millimeter as well. Let's go for a trim. I want to trim this here, that here, this one, that one, and of course this one. And close that sketch. And let's make a symmetric extrude with that sketch here. Confirm and make it 40 millimeter. Finish, cancel this out. Okay, let's go for a thin wall. It should go to the inside, yes, 50 millimeter, yes, and I want to remove this face and that face. And confirm, preview, finish, no cancelling out. That's interesting. Now, there are some limitations in SolidEdge, so how to proceed? I could do the fillets, so let's go for the rounds. I need 10 millimeter on the inside, on this edge, that edge here, and this one here. Confirm, preview, finish, and I want to go for 25 on this edge and that edge here. Confirm, preview, finish, cancel this out. Let's do another sketch on the front plane, which is somewhere over here. Yeah, how to select that front plane? Yeah, like this. Okay, that will be a circle, and that circle should rest here, and the diameter should be 40 millimeter. Close that sketch, make an extrude, make it symmetric with that sketch here, confirm, and the distance should be 60 millimeter. Finish, cancel this out. Then here I want to go for a rib, but it's not possible. I have to do another extrude before. If I do that extrude with the same sketch as before with this one, confirm, it should be symmetric and it should be 20. Finish, cancel this out. Now I've got those two problems here, but I want to move that protrusion before the first round. Is that possible? So just move it up here like that, and it works. Looks okay. Now I could suppress that protrusion, that's possible. So let's go to like that, and then I could do 2 rounds with 10 millimeter on this edge and that edge. Preview, finish, cancel this out, and unsuppress this one, and it's okay. Now I want to use a rib because it's convenient. So I need a sketch on that surface here. So let's go for a sketch and select that surface up here. And I need a line. That line should start here. Length, so I think now it's perpendicular. That would be okay. Give it a dimension. Yeah. So again, I can't constrain it in there. That's really amazing. So you have to go again for an axis. That would be the axis, and then you could do some sort of smart dimension here, like this. Okay, 150 maybe. Okay, the line is too long, but that's okay because the rib tool will trim it. Close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out, and now let's go for that rib tool that's here. That would be the line to use. Confirm. And then you can give a direction, and you can give it in that direction. So it's perpendicular to the sketch, like that. And of course you need a dimension. That dimension should be 10 millimeter. And make sure you confirm again that direction. Finish, cancel this out. Can I mirror that rib? I'll try. I want to mirror that rib here. Okay, it should be fast, that would be okay. And the plane step, let's confirm this, would be of course that front plane. So let's go for the front plane here. Finish, no cancelling, that's okay. And now let's add those rounds, 10 millimeter rounds. So 10 millimeter on this edge, that one. I had to do it this way because I couldn't do those fillets here. Okay, so I have to select twice the amount of edges but confirm, preview, finish. Okay, maybe hide sketch, hide sketch, hide sketch, again cancel this out, hide this sketch as well. Okay, let's hide that solid. Okay, I need a sketch on the front plane, so go for the front plane. That will be a circle here, another one, and another one. So this should be 25, okay, and all those circles should be for construction. Can I select them all and go for construction? Yes. Okay, and then I need a line which starts somewhere over here, click, and moves like that. Make sure they don't snap on perpendicularity, and those two lines should be for construction as well. Let's go for trim, like that. Okay. Now the angle should be here 12.5, and also over here 12.5. Then I need a circle which sits right here on that point, hopefully. And no, it didn't snap onto that point. So how to snap onto that point here? Should be possible. Right on this point. Yeah, now there you go. And same on the other side. Yes, like that. Add dimensions. This should be 5 millimeter, and this one as well, 5 millimeter. Now let's go for tangency. So this one should be tangent to that one, and this one tangent to that one, and of course this should not be for construction. Let's switch it back. Same over here, switch it back. Now go for another trim. I want to trim these here, so go for trim like that. Now I need to trim only those two, because then I will lose a lot of constraints. So let's undo this. I want only to trim this here. Yeah. So this looks okay. Finish that sketch. Now bring back that body here, and let's do an extrude with that sketch, and I want to remove it, so it should be symmetric. That's okay. Let's select that sketch, this one here, confirm. It should be symmetric. Yes, it should be symmetric, and the distance should be at least 60. But I want to, edit, I want to cut it. And again, 60 millimeters. Finish, cancel this out. Then I need a circular pattern with that feature. So I want that cutout to be patterned in a circular fashion, circular way. So go for pattern. I need a pattern. Where is that? Not visible right now. So I need a coincident plane. That would be the front plane. And now I want to go for a circular pattern. That's here. I need a circle like that in that direction. And I want to have 6 instances, 360 degrees. Yep, that's okay. So let's confirm that sketch. Finish, And okay, no cancelling this out. Great. Hide that sketch here. Okay, there is still no way to copy a sketch in SolidEdge. At least I'm not aware of any possibility. So I have to draw a new one. Let's hide that design body and make a new sketch on the front plane. On this plane here. And I need circles. I need one circle, two circles, three circles. This one should be for construction only. Then I need construction lines, and I have to draw it like this because otherwise it's not possible. I could try to snap here, and this one and that one should be for construction only. Now let's trim those lines, and I need an angle between that line and that plane, and that would be 15 degrees, and the same angle on the other side, 15 degrees. Now this one here should have a diameter of 140. So I have to drag this out. If possible, can I drag that circle outside? That's not really possible, but let's draw some 20 millimeter diameter circles here on the... No, yeah, that's really kind of awful. I would have to dimension this one as well and make it 150, I suppose. Yeah, or go for 160, or just delete that dimension. I just wanted to put this side outside of this one, and now let's draw circles on those intersection points, which is also kind of hard to do because you have to... Now I got it, and that diameter should be 20. Same over here, go for the intersection point, yes. Add a dimension, this should be 20, and this should be 20 as well. Now let's go for tangency and make this one here tangent to that one, and this one tangent to this one. Let's go for a trim. So now I need another circle which rests something over here, somewhere over here, and that diameter should be also 20 millimeter. Now the distance between this center point and that one here should be 20 as well. So let's try to select something over here. Not really possible. Can I select that? Yeah, and if I go here like that, I got that distance, and this should be 20. Now I have to add a fillet here and over there, so go for fillet 5 millimeter. Select this circle and select that circle here. Click. Same over here, select this circle, select that circle. Click, and okay. Now we can trim. So this could be removed, this could be removed, that could be removed, this one, that one, this one. Now zoom in because there is a small one here which should be removed. Same on the other side. That one. This sketch looks okay, so let's finish that sketch. Finish, cancel this out. And now I have to make an extrude, and I have to cut it from that hidden one here, so bring it back. Let's go for an extrude. Maybe switch immediately to cut. Select from sketch that profile here. confirm, go for symmetric extend, that's okay, and it should be at least 20. Finish, cancel this out, and hide that sketch. Okay, again, very sadly I can't do a circular pattern with different or variational angles. So I have to do a circular pattern with just two. Select the cutout, confirm. The sketch step would be on the front plane. A circle, maybe like that. Go for a partial circle, and the radius doesn't really matter, but the sweep here should be 54 degrees, and I need 2 instances. Let's confirm that one. Yeah. Finish. Now cancel this out. And now I want to mirror those two. So I go for a mirror, and I want to mirror feature. I want to mirror that first cutout and that pattern one. Confirm. Now the mirror plane would be this plane here, that one. Finish, and now cancel, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.